Bringing broadband to rural areas is a major challenge across the UK, and satellite might just be the answer. I'm here with Mike Locke of Satellite Internet. Mike, you've delivered a project for Somerset area, and you've actually done it with government approval.
We have indeed. We're very pleased to be operating as part of this project, which is funded by BD UK as part of their market test pilot, to look at the technologies that get to the last 5% of the population. And of course that's where we as Satellite Internet think our technology is particularly efficient and particularly good to be deployed.
And I think also you had a take-up of those on the trial of over 60%.
We put some initial ones in as a trial to see if people would like it, and more than 60% of those people who were on that trial chose to carry on with it. So it was a very good percentage that we were very pleased with.
Yeah, that's great. What's the physical kind of involvement? Supposing I'm in one of these villages, how do I get the service?
It's a very simple involvement, assuming you can see the head end that we put in, and that depends on which community building we put it in. But if you can see, for example, the village hall, then it's a very small antenna, about 10 centimetres by 4 centimetres, that goes on the outside of your window, and a small box inside, and that's it.
Now, in the past, there's been a sort of a view that satellite couldn't possibly deliver broadband. It was too expensive, it was too slow, but you seem to be going against that. Tell us your view on that.
Well, satellite has come down a lot in price over the past few years and has gone up in speed to the extent that we can now deliver up to 25 megabits per second on projects of this sort, for prices beginning at less than £23 a month. And if you consider that you don't need a phone line to have access to it, that's actually a pretty good price for broadband, particularly when your alternatives are so poor in the outlying regions.
Now, I think you've partnered with SES, a global brand, to deliver this service.
We have indeed. The main technology and the satellites that we use are provided by SES. We've had a very long and good relationship with SES over the years, and we find they're very good partners for doing just this sort of thing.
Fantastic. Well, congratulations on the breakthrough, and I'm sure we're going to hear more about satellite, the unsung heroes of broadband.
Thank you very much, Brian.